Hello, we hope you're doing well. This video is an introduction to our Shopify app, Sales Genius. This app will unlock your business pricing potential by allowing you to manage private sales, bulk discounts, and specialized B2B catalogs. You will be able to target distinct markets and customer segments, apply rules set on specific products, and display prices anywhere in your store. Here you can see a logged in customer walking through various promotions from a special sales event. These promotions are displayed everywhere: the collection page, product page, cart, and checkout page. For this same sales event, when a customer who is not logged in visits the website, they won't see any discount. And that's because with Sales Genius, you are able to create a targeted sale event. To quickly install the app and make it work correctly, you need to go through 6 steps of the setup wizard. The first 4 steps are automated and will turn green once completed. If a step turns yellow, it means it's waiting for your action. For the 5th step, you need to add a code snippet. Simply copy the snippet and click on Edit the Snippet. Paste it there and then go back to the setup wizard. The step will turn green and you can continue with the remaining steps. Once all the steps are completed, you will see Setup Completed, which means the app is ready to use. To make it easier for you to start using the app, we suggest following the mini tutorials in the Getting Started section. These tutorials will guide you through 3 key actions: configuring the application, importing a rules set, and testing a rules set. However, you can watch this video which goes into more depth on each of these actions. To start, to display promotions in your store, custom prices must be enabled in the configuration section. You have the option to activate the debug mode on the front end. When enabled, a link will be displayed on the product page, which will provide you with access to the detailed rules that apply to the product. Now let's move on to the next part: importing your pricing rules. Importing a rules set is an efficient way to create many discounts on a CSV file and import all of them in bulk. Firstly, download the sample CSV file and open it using a spreadsheet application, code editor, or Windows Notepad. Next, open the file and fill in the different categories by typing in the SKU or ID of the affected products for your promotion. Choose a title for your rule and its priority. Enter the customer segments and markets you want to target. Once done, type in the start and end date for your promotions, followed by the type of promotion and its value. Once you have done this, the CSV file is complete, and you can proceed to import it. Choose between importing a new rules set or an existing rules set, which will overwrite old rules. Now that your rules have been imported, the promotions are displayed in your store. If you go to the All Rules section, you can see all the imported rules and the information related to it. You can create views or use the sorting criteria to easily visualize specific rules. Sales Genius offers another powerful feature, which is the testing rule feature. It is really useful when you want to know which rule applies to a specific product. Thanks to this feature, you'll be able to check all of the rules regarding a product. Simply enter the SKU or ID of the product, the country you want to have information about, the concerned day, and the segment. These are the 3 types of subscription we offer. Choose the subscription plan matching your needs. From this interface, you are able to switch subscription at any time. You can also choose to switch to an annual billing to save by clicking on this button. Find Sales Genius now on the Shopify App Store and make the most of our free trial.